Welcome back, everybody, to our grand opening special of Super Nintendo World. And we're going to play another game on the DOS, which is going to be Wheel of Fortune Deluxe Edition. Let's see how it goes. Mike Dahl, who's a karate teacher from Seattle, Washington. Marty Lloyd is a writer from Ann Arbor, Michigan. First round category is things, and I get to start. Let's play Wheel of Fortune, Deluxe Edition. And I lose my turn. Mike spends $300, calls for a T. 1 T. Chance at a free spin. Can he pick it up? He can. There's 1 N. 500. Yep. 2 H's. 2 E's. 1 A. He's on a roll. 200. 1 R. Yeah, he's got this. 400. No D. He's going to use his free spin and buy an O, and there's an O. 250. No L. Marty spins 450. No S, so it's over to me. $350. Let me have a G. I'll have a P. $700. Okay, let me have an S. 2 S's. I'm at $2,100. Let's go for it. $200. I'll have a K. $2,300. High top sneakers. We're going to move on to our second round with a $2,500 space on the wheel, and we'll add a prize, which is going to be a diamond necklace worth $4,055. Title is the category. Mike spends $550. He calls for an H, and he gets an H. Very good. 200. 2 T's. 3 E's. Very good. 600. 1 R. You might know something here. Let's find out. 900. No N. Over to Marty, who spends $400. 1 L. 900. No F. My turn. Let's make some money. $600. Okay, let me have a C. Here it is. We get $2,500 out of this. No, we can get $900. P. We're at $2,400. I'd like to spin again. $250. S. $2,650. The People's Court. That's correct. Round 3 is coming up with a $3,500 space on the wheel, and our next category is occupation. Marty spends $200 and gets an N. Very good. Surprise. No S, so the surprise stays on the wheel, and it's my turn. Oh, top dollar value. Is there an R? There's one R, and it's worth $3,500. $500. Is there a T? Okay, I forgot it was my turn. My bad. So I have $4,000. I know the answer, but I'm going to keep going. I want more money. $350. Can I have a D? Almost got that jewelry. 200. L. There's that jewelry. Okay, let me have a Q. Antique dealer. For the prize. And the cash. Got it. Round 4 is coming up. $5,000 space is going out on the wheel, along with a brand new prize, too. Let's find out which one it is. It's a personal computer worth $2,000. Thing is the category, and I get to start. The surprise is still out there. We've added a computer to the wheel. The $5,000 space is out there, so there's a lot to shoot for. Almost. 300. R. No. Mike spends 500. 2 H's. All right. Okay. 1 E. That's a bankrupt. 600 for Marty. 2 T's. I would have called that on $5,000. No I, so my one chance to spin this round, make some money, get a prize. Surprise! Let's see if I can pick it up with a C. Toothache. Yep, all that's left to do is solve it. And let's find out just what that surprise is. It's a beautiful new motorcycle with $6,700. All right. Time for the final spin round. People will be the category. The wheel's going to be spun one last time to determine how much each consonant will be worth. Vowels won't be worth anything, but consonants will be worth... Not bad! $1,500 a piece. 2 S's, that's $3,000. N, R. Yep. 3,000 for me. No H. T. L. No M. No G. F. Federal Express. That's correct. Another $6,000 coming my way. And we're about to go play the bonus round for a chance at a bonus prize. So far in cash and prizes, we won $26,405. I'd like to pick the first E. Place is the category. R, S, T, L, and E. Let's get them up there. I'm going to get a lot of letters here. Okay. Now for 3 more consonants and the vowel. B, Y, H, A. Beauty salon. Okay. Let's solve it. And the prize that I've won is a trip to Japan worth $17,275. Not bad. Let's go ahead and write that down. Let's go ahead and start the ending cue music, please. And so far for the game, we won $43,680. I'll see you all for another game after the break.